Hi everyone, it's me again. Today we have chocolates. Take action, subscribe. Guys, we have some makeup, some toolkit, makeup set and toolkit. We have some seashell chocolate and some spoon chocolate. Guys, we have these toolkit. We have wrench, hammer, screwdriver, and then we also have makeup set. We have a brush, and then we have lipstick, eyeshadow. I'm sad about this because it broke, guys. It's the nail polish, but it's okay because look, it's like real. Put it in my nose. Okay, guys, and we also have some seashells. I don't know. So I only know one, guys. I mean two. A seahorse and a starfish. That's all I know. Okay, guys, come and eat with me. So we have lipstick. Oh, I'm gonna put some on. It tastes good, guys. Now I'm gonna try the toolkit. So I'm gonna try this wrench. It's very good. I think both of these are the same taste. Now I'm going to try the seashell and the spoon. What should I try first? Seashell or spoon? I'll try seashells. I'll try this seahorse. It's soft. It's so delicious. I love it, guys. Now let's try this spoon. It looks like these two are different, but I want to try these two. I'm going to try this dark one first. It's like a real spoon you can really eat with. I'm going to eat this.